Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, like and comment so you can get future interesting video of item I have to sell on eBay. This is a PS2, the original version that I'm selling. It will come with the screen translucent controller in good condition. It also comes with a memory card, 8 MB. It comes with the power cable, but it will not come with the TV output cable. I'm only using this for testing. Again, in the original eBay listing, you will not see the video cable out. So if you're buying this, make sure you have the TV cable so you can play it as soon as you get it. And I'm gonna give you a demonstration to show you that it's played the game, and the game I will be playing will also not come with the purchase. Let's turn it on. I'll be demonstrating this PlayStation 2 Ford Mustang, the Legend live. Again, this game will not come in the purchase, and also the video output will not come in with the purchase. Here we go. Let's give it a try. The game is in. Should come up at any moment right now. Here we go. As you can see, the system does play fine. Game is just loading right now. Let's skip through that. Skip that again. Still the sound system that is playing. Give you another look at the controller to make sure that everything looks good.
Single player, arcade, quick race, select your Mustang. Select color. Select transmission. Automatic. Select track. Hello,
Here we go. Oh, such a white. You got the points, guys. You can see the system does play fine. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment for future interesting videos. Thanks for watching.